Hello guys, today I want to give you a review on this ZK exit button. It's a smart one. You'll find that it's a no touch. You see, you just bring your hand there, it opens. This is the best of the best. You remember during COVID-19 we used to have no contamination or touching things together. You remember? Yeah, this one can work fine. And it also has a remote. The remote allows you to click on the to open the door automatically, such that you just as you can see, you click the way you open your door, your car door. You just click, it opens, it releases the mag log up there, the green light changes, and then 5 seconds it's come back on to show that the door is locked. You see, guys, get this if you are using your exit button, the normal one. Get this one, is the best. And also visit our website, visit our Facebook channel, visit our Twitter handle, that is X, and also Instagram. We are there. We'll give you the technology that you need. This is Everman Technology.